Again, a P0141 code is the engine code. Yep, okay, there we go. There we go. Car's shaking. Now, as soon as I turn this off, it'll stop doing it. There. So as you can see, it's whenever the AC comes on is when this happens. And the time is now about 11:05, so it took about maybe 8 or 9 minutes for it to start doing this. All right, yeah, this was right after they put in the KPRO V4, and I'm thinking that it might be a Honda issue. Like I said, we did replace it with a factory OEM NTK. I don't recall the part number, but it was a downstream for the Acura RSX, a 2003 Acura RSX base model 5-speed manual, an NTK downstream O2 oxygen sensor. Okay, time's now 11:06, and the date is November 23rd, 2022. End of recording.